Oleme teel Hollandi kuningliku valukotta, kus Tartu raekoja kellamängule valmistati 18 uut kella ning häälestati ümber 16 vana Saksamaal toodetud kella.
There is one factory in Asten, it's called Royal IJsbouws, and they are producing bells since 1872. They started with clocks and they still make clocks, but moreover they make bells. And they are transported all over the world, and one of the projects we have now is in Tartu. So that's why we are here to see today and to hear the bells for Tartu, as they have been retuned and new bells have been created which fit perfectly together.
Tema on siis professor Rasmus Müller, tema on Taani kampanoloog ja tema siis täna hakkab meie uusi ja vanu kelli mõõtma ja annab siis oma hinnangu, kuidas nad kõlavad.
To start, I think Tartu, right?
Tartu, yeah.
Is Pieter er ook of niet? Doe jij dat tune?
Sorry?
Is that Petit and Fritz profile of the new bells, or is it Carlton?
The new bells is IJsbouws profile. It's smooth bells.
Yeah. I just hear them. There's the bells single. We take
Okay.
all the way up, and then if you could hear some different chords.
Okay.
Sounds very nice. 23.5 degrees because the tuning differs a little with the temperature. That's plus 0.5. So that's very fancy. C-sharp, yeah. I'm just getting ready. So. That's 0.
Kõik 34 kella on mõõdetud ja kuulatud. Kõlaline tulemus on äärmiselt rõõmustav. Hollandi tehasel oleks olnud pädevus valada kellad ka meie vanade Saksamaal valmistatud kellade profiili järgi, aga seda ei pidanud eksperdid hädavajalikuks. Seetõttu on uued kellad valatud nende standardprofiili järgi.
Rasmus just ütles, et on väga üllatunud selle tulemuse üle, et kõla erisust ei ole võimalik kuulda, et see on väga hea tulemus, mis nad on saavutanud.
It looks very nice. I think the foundry they have done a great job. We have been checking all 34 bells. Now we have been measuring the particles, 5 particles in each bell, and you can, if you add 34, or multiply 34 with 5, then you can figure out how many measurements we have made.
Yes.
It's quite a lot.
Nüüd me oleme siis Astenis kirikus ja kellatornis ja siin on siis mehaaniliselt mängitav kariljon. See tähendab seda, et seda mängib inimene, mitte masin.